If you have shoulder pain or something totally unrelated,
trouble with your balance,
then the Booyah Stik may be for you.
Booyah!
I went the wrong way.
Worried me.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
The Booyah Stik is one of the most versatile pieces of equipment for shoulder pain. Are you doing a dance over there or what?
I do my best.
Booyah Stik is great for shoulder decompression and stretching.
So reach as high as you can and lean forward.
Bob can reach a little higher than me. He's got the wingspan of an eagle.
Ah!
Booyah Stik is also great for shoulder extension.
You can just paddle back.
Paddle your canoe. You can hold it back there too for a stretch or just keep going back and forth. It also works great for getting increased shoulder internal rotation. So we're working on this shoulder right here, and you can see Bob's thumb is facing up on the bottom and his hand is facing that way, and this hand is facing his head with his thumb down.
And it slides well.
Yes, you probably want to do this with some clothes on.
And you can do many more exercises.
Yes, you can be as creative as you want with this. You go to bobandbrad.com, go to the program section, and we have a free shoulder program on there. So this Booyah Stik is utilized a bunch there.